Mga paps, ituloy natin yung things that I don't like about my Geely EX2 Max. What's up mga paps? So this is just basing it again from some of my experience owning other car brands. Especially, ang point of comparison ko is my BYD E-Max 7. So, tuloy natin kung ano yung mga other things na feeling ko deal breaker for some. Again, for me, kita nyo naman, hindi siya deal breaker. Binili ko diba? So, sa mga missing features na hopefully sana man lang sa Max nilagay nila para may konting distinction between Pro and Max is this. So, power tailgate, wala. Both Pro and Max variants, parehong manual. So, another feature na wala dito is wala siyang app. And I don't think magkaka-app siya sa Philippines. One, I think it's more of a hardware. For them to be able to offer it at a competitive price, they had to strip down some of the hardware. So, ang wala talaga tong like SIM card, ganon, for it to be able to communicate to an application. Wala din siyang Wi-Fi. So, in short, wala ka talagang app. Kasi yung other car ko na si E-Max 7, especially for BYD, may app sila. And what can you do with the app ba? So, there's a lot of convenience to be found sa app. So, you can monitor your vehicle's condition, tires, charging state, etc. Andon. You can also do remote start from your cell phones. And one of the things sobrang namimiss ko is yung NFC. Kasi technically, I use my phone now to enter my BYD by tapping do sa NFC sa side mirror, and then I can enter the vehicle without having to bring yung mga ganitong bulky keys. Siguro yung other feature na wala din is yung scheduled charging. So, maganda sana kung pwede ka mag-schedule nung time lang na pwede ka mag-charge, especially if you're using solar power. So, that's gonna be a good use para nakasaksak siya, then certain time lang siya mag-charge para hindi yung kailangan pang asikasuhin yung certain timing kung kailan mo siya gusto i-charge. Another missing feature that I don't really like that it's missing, partially, I would say partially it's missing, is wala siyang tire pressure monitor. I mean, you cannot see yung actual pressure or PSI nung tires mo. It does have TPMS, but it just gives you a warning if flat ka na. So, magkakaroon siya ng warning dun sa dashboard mo or sa infotainment mo na flat ka. Yun lang yung meron siyang monitoring. Pero yung actual pressure niya, wala. You cannot find it. And let me know if ako lang yung hindi makakita. I tried pressing everything. I tried reading na yung manual. Wala akong makitang option there to display yung PSI nung inyong tires. Another feature na wala, meron to sa E-Max 7 ko is you cannot turn off this wonderful and beautiful 14-inch screen. So yes, medyo may disadvantage yun, lalo na pag sa gabi. Medyo nadidistract ka doon sa liwanag. The best that you can do is tone down yung brightness. So sana man lang meron siyang like screensaver mode or like yung clock mode para pagdating sa gabi hindi masyadong maliwanag at distracting. Promise, maliwanag niya kasi ang laki din ng screen. While it's beautiful, yes, I admit it's very beautiful, but you cannot turn it off. So some may find it distracting. Oops, ituloy natin to sa next part mga paps. Medyo mahaba na kasi yung video. Promise, meron pa akong mga ibang need kong banggitin for me na kung ano yung ayaw ko sa vehicle na to. Kaya subaybayan nyo po yung next video ko about this. And yun muna po tayo mga paps. Salamat!